In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an external Steam game drive. If you're looking to expand your game storage without upgrading your internal drive, this guide will walk you through each step to configure an external drive with your Steam account. First off, let's open your Steam app on your computer. It's important to make sure it's up to date to avoid any issues down the line. If you don't have Steam already installed, you can download it from their official website. Navigating to the app, you'll want to click on the login button. Once there, enter your account name and password. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and you'll be up and running in no time. After inputting your credentials, click the sign in button to access your Steam account. This will bring you to your Steam homepage where we'll begin setting up the external drive. Look to the top menu where you'll see a tab labelled Steam. Click on it and a drop down menu appears. From there, select Settings. This is where we can access various options to customize your Steam experience. Now in the settings menu, you'll want to click on the storage section. This area allows you to manage game installation locations, making it the perfect place to set up your external drive. At this point, look for a drop down menu titled Default or similar. When you click on it, select the option that says Add Drive. This is the gateway to integrating your external drive with Steam. A window will pop up prompting you to choose which drive you want to add. Before proceeding, make sure your external drive is properly connected to your computer and it has enough space for your gaming needs. Select your preferred external drive from the list and click Select Folder to confirm your choice. Congratulations, you have now successfully added a new external drive to your Steam account. This means you can start installing games directly onto your external drive instead of your primary internal one, freeing up space and potentially improving your system's performance. To move existing games to this new drive, you will need to manage your library folders within Steam, but that's a lesson for another day. For now, enjoy the extra space and the flexibility it offers in managing your game installations. Remember, always safely eject your external drive when you're done using it to avoid data corruption. And that wraps up today's guide on setting up an external Steam game drive. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.